This is Eric Whiteside. I am on site at 84 West Park Apartments, performing a firmware update on the Axis controller. And uh, one of the things that we noticed is the actual electrical access panel was uncovered and open. I am suggesting that we actually get a lock and put on that access panel, so that we don't get any unauthorized access to BM2's holdings power. I'm going to put a lock on this and provide the keys to Kathy, so she can get to maintenance, because this was open when I got here. Right now the system is operating efficiently. A little warm in there. We're going to look at making some adjustments to that. We'll keep that monitored so everything's operational. Right now this firmware is updating. Once the firmware is updated, this will conclude this maintenance and support.